If you have got many audio clips and they all have got different peak amplitude, for example, this audio clip has got a minus 12 decibel peak amplitude and the other one has got minus 7. So the difference makes the volume very uneven. So in order to fix low voice volume, click on Window menu and then select Essential Sound. Select all the clips of the track that you want to fix. Make sure dialog tag is selected, then expand loudness and then simply click on auto match. This would automatically match to target loudness of minus 23 LUFS, which I think it is a bit still too low and it is a broadcasting loudness, and unfortunately Premiere Pro doesn't allow us to change this default value. However, while all of your voice clips are selected, move the clip volume slider to the right to get to a value between 6 to 9 decibel. I set it to 8.8 and this makes the volume even as well as loud.